Dear Mommy and Daddy, I hope this week will clarify thank you for your great support, and conditional love, sacrifice, but made all the preparations right to conditional love. That's the problem with girls. Obligasyon na mo na siya sa ito. Sinatang mo niya. Imuon na mo niya siya sa nalang makakal sa iyo kung anong maaari. Para maabot ang iba. And I want to thank you for always believing and helping me with my homework and projects. You have always been there for me. Your time and energy for my education is something I appreciate. I'm sorry sa mga kasalanan ko. I'm sorry. I promise I will not do that again. Kung makakaya. Thank you.